Hey everyone, this is how to handle internal discrimination complaints about performance evaluations. Now, despite your best efforts to implement a fair evaluation system and ensure that managers apply performance standards consistently, business owners and HR professionals in Florida may encounter situations where employees complain that their evaluations were unfair or inaccurate for discriminatory reasons. For example, an employee may claim that she was given an unwarranted negative performance evaluation because she complained that she was paid less than male colleagues who performed the same work. The following tips may be helpful in handling this situation. First, you should ask the employee to specifically identify her concerns with the evaluation. For example, does she object to the overall rating or to particular statements in the evaluation, or is her issue with proposed actions that result from the rating? For example, a lower pay raise than expected, or a demotion, or a transfer of a job responsibility. Then, you should ask the employee why she believes the evaluation was discriminatory. Next, you should meet with the employee's manager and other individuals who may have been involved in the evaluation decision, if necessary, to discuss the employee's concerns. At this point, you will want to review any kind of relevant information. For example, if the evaluation was based in part on a decrease in sales or customer satisfaction, then you should review any type of sales data or customer service surveys to determine if they are consistent with the evaluation. If appropriate, you may want to review other employee evaluations to determine whether there is any evidence of discrimination. For example, you can review the evaluations of members of the employee's work group. If employees who have filed complaints generally receive lower evaluations, determine whether those evaluations are justified. This may help you determine whether the manager has consistently applied performance standards and policies to all employees. Now, if you find evidence of discrimination, you will want to do three things. 1, ensure that the discrimination stops immediately. 2, correct any effects of the discrimination. And 3, prevent it from happening again. For example, if you determine that the employee received a lower performance evaluation than she deserved because she complained about pay discrimination, then you want to retract that evaluation. Issue a new evaluation that is consistent with your performance standards and policies, and then provide the employee with any pay or seniority or other benefits that she would have received if she had been treated properly. Also, you should consider whether to discipline any managers involved in the discriminatory performance evaluation. If you determine that the evaluation was warranted, then you should inform the employee of this. It may be helpful to explain the steps that you took to investigate the complaint, the results of the investigation, and the basis for your decision. Finally, you would want to consider documenting the results of the investigation and any corrective action or preventative action taken. Hope that helps. These tips are available on the EEOC's website under Small Business Checklists. Bye-bye.